first thing after birth is breath. A quiet sound that marks the beginning. The world enters us, and we enter the world. We cannot see air. It has no color, no shape, and yet it's what keeps us alive. We breathe about 17,000 times a day. Each breath is about half a liter of air. Over 8,000 liters of invisible matter flow through our bodies every single day. This air is older than we are. It has been in the lungs of trees, in the gills of fish, in the breath of those who lived thousands of years ago. At every moment, we breathe in particles of nature, particles of the past, particles of other people. Air connects us to everyone who has been, and everyone who is yet to be born. It's an invisible web of life, binding everything that exists. We cannot see it, yet it moves the leaf, the cloud, the sound. It lifts the dust in the sunbeams and grows still with us when night falls. It is the breath of the world and our own. A sound so quiet, yet giving rhythm to life. Without air, there's silence.